All right, today's lesson, we're going to derive the formula for a pyramid. The volume of a pyramid is 1/3 base times height. The capital B represents the area of the base, and H represents the height of the pyramid. The base differ. Sometimes they're rectangular, square, sometimes they're triangular. We're going to consider just the rectangular or the square base for this lesson. Let's see how to derive this formula from what we already know. Consider the volume of a cube. Remember, a cube, the sides are all the same length. So the volume is the side cube. Consider a pyramid with the same base and height as the cube. So let's say this has the same, these are the same length and width. Since there are 6 sides to a cube, then the pyramid whose base would match the cube 6 times. So I could say V equals the base cube divided by 6, because there's 6 sides to the cube. All right, substituting 2 times H, 2 times the height, for B, because the square, the sides are the same. So the height would be the same. So substituting 2H equals B, we get this. So we originally had B cubed over 6. I can say 2 times H times B squared over 6. And if we simplify this, 2 divides into 6 3 times. So you can get H times B squared over 3, which is the same thing as 1/3 times B squared times H. And remember, the area of a square is the side squared. This may vary because the base may be triangular, or it could be rectangular, but in this case I'm considering the square base. So in general, we'll just write it this way. I'll say the volume is equal to 1/3, and I use a capital B times height. This concludes our lesson for the volume of the pyramid.